We are going to see now how to solve a problem. Anissa has worked on the fruits and vegetable web page, and she had some problems with strawberry. Let's find out. She will actually explain the problem she had herself. If I'm opening it. Tell us, what is the problem with the page, Anissa? Oh, the strawberry is... Oh my goodness, this is a big, massive strawberry. Yeah? It's enough for all of us, isn't it? Yeah? We can share it. Alright. So, you want it to be small size, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's check the code. Yeah. And I'm not going to tell you the answer straight away. Yeah. But I need to open it in HTML. So I'll right click and edit with Notepad++. Nadia, let's work on this together. Well, she says she has tried it. Let's check. So the carrot is okay. Is the carrot okay? Yeah. And the apples, broccoli. Look, broccoli. What? Do you see here? She's writing here height equals 50. This is okay. So this gives us a clue. And the width, we need to check the code. She could do that as well. Yeah. Once you make it work for one, you can copy and paste and edit. Yeah. And strawberries, and also the width. So because the code was incorrect, it wasn't working. Oh. So we need to type the code, but we need to also check. Absolutely. The color of the writing helps you to see. Absolutely, that's correct. Yeah. Then, yeah. When you're doing, what software did you use at home, Anissa? So Notepad++ would show the color. Yes. Yeah.
It did show the color. It looks just like that. This is the thing I didn't check that. Okay. So wait, what is this bit? This bit I didn't understand. ATL equals...
ALT. What does ALT mean? Alternative text. So if the picture is not showing, or if it's not there, that text would be the screen reader can read it. Even if you see here at the end, before I refresh, all of them, because she fixed it earlier. Yeah. Now let's refresh. No, we need to save first, isn't it? If we have the star, the asterisk sign here, it means it's not saved.
So what about this bit?
Where it says the file name at the top. Anissa, what do you say?
This bit I didn't. So it says...
Call span.
Yeah, so what is that?
Call span. Can anyone help us with that? What does call span do? It merges the columns. It merges the two columns for that cell. Yeah? If we say call span 3, it will take 3 cells. It will merge 3 cells. Yeah.
Go back one more time. Go back. Sorry, this one. Go back. Go back. I wrote 2 instead of writing 3. So what? Where's the call span? I wrote 2. What is it?
Call span is here.
No, not that. This is the one I did 2.
we can search for it, call span.
Okay.
We are searching for call span.
That's
Call span 3.
Did I turn up one more?
You had only one call span.
I had two.
No, it's one.
There's a one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's save.
And then this bit is also almost
Yeah.
I detailed this bit.
Aha.
What is how do I
Okay, you have a mistake there. Hello? ID is an attribute. So you should not close the tag.
Okay. So tag
One space, ID, and then you give it a name. You can also use a class. In this case, there is ID. Yeah? But with the second project I'm giving you today, we will use a class. You have not created the CSS for this yet. That was one of the challenge given. Yeah. But let's save this one. Let's save this one and check. Or we can just reload here. It looks better now, yeah?
Yeah.
Her strawberry now she can actually.
But she has a picture in when she has to write carrot.
Oh, the carrot came here. Yes.
Yeah, she has to write carrot there, a picture with it.
Aha.
What happens to the carrot? So this bit.
Yeah.
So we have
So the carrot takes. You want it to be here,
yeah,
and this picture you want it to be. Yeah.
yeah.
Aha.
And then what happens to the orange?
It's because you made a mistake with the code again. It's always the code. Here you're supposed to put TD, but you wrote
TR.
no. Here there is TR, of course, but then inside the TR, you need to have TD. So TD for each table cells for the second one, yeah, and this one inside the TD inside the, you don't want to have 4 columns. So if you remove this one, it should be better. Yeah, because the TD is what gives you the columns. Pictures. Aha. So what's missing there, Mr. Kamal? One more th, because it's a heading, isn't it? Yeah. One more th. So the first one, my favorite fruits, my favorite vegetables. So she needs one more th where? There, here. Press enter, Anissa, and use the th code. Well done, she's doing well. And pictures. Yeah, that's correct. And what's next? She need to close it. Yeah, well done. Aha. Yeah, so well done. And let's see now. Ah.
What about this bit? There's this bit. You need to see the
Oh, these
squares.
ones.
How do I put that there?
Oh, we have squares here.
Yeah.
Why do we have Nadia? If you see here Anissa, yeah, she has one column, second column, third column, but she has those small squares. What do you think? Why do you think she has those? She has added one more columns. I think Muhammad is right. Let's check. Let's check for the TD. 1, 2, 3. This is for the orange. Let's check. For that,
So I don't need a TD. I can
no,
just write it.
you need the TD. 1, 2, second
I
column,
don't need this one.
third column. Oh, you see, the way she's closed this one, she didn't close it properly. It just opens another one. The forward slash is missing.
Okay. And delete this one.
Which one? Yeah.
Yeah.
No. You need that one.
But just get rid of the slash. So here's all. So there's no slash there.
No, the forward, that's a self-closing tag. So that doesn't. But you need a slash here.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you see here? How about?
And then
Do you need a
another
slash here?
And a slash.
A forward slash.
Wherever that,
Yeah. Okay. So we have a picture of orange. Oh, we have it here. Yeah. So we have, because the closing, what's supposed to be the closing, it was opening another cell, another column. Okay, saved and reload. Let's see. It's now fixed. Yeah. All right. So as a group, on the copy of her web page, it is solved for Anissa. We are going to see if Anissa is going to. One more thing before we leave. Aha. Okay. We need an input from more people. We can use. There are other ways, but we have been doing it using CSS, right? So let's see. She hasn't got any CSS.
Sorry, you can go straight to the our page HTML and you can add background.
Absolutely. Yeah, you can do that, but we want to use CSS, right? So if we check at the beginning, she has a link actually to styles.css, but the file itself, it doesn't exist. Yeah. So what we are going to do? Hello. Create a new file. Can you click on file and new, please? And create a style, a CSS style with that file name. New file new. No, file and new. And save it. Save as first. Yeah. Yeah. So and change the save as type to CSS. That is correct. Yeah. Yeah. So we save it in the same folder. So that is the CSS file. Now we want to give it a background. Can anyone remember the code for setting background? But before the bracket, I need to select. Tell me. Yeah, but before that, what am I selecting? Yeah, the body. Yes, well done. So we type body and space. And Kamal, what did you say earlier? We need to opening a curly bracket, isn't it? Yeah, curly bracket. Shift. Yeah. Okay. Well done. No. Yeah. Okay. And press enter. Now she want to program the background color. So if you type background dash color, you can choose it from here. Yeah. And you put a colon to say I want the background to be equal to. No, like this. Yeah. And what color do we mean? Shall we get the color from Flat UI Colors website? Let's choose. If you go to the website Flat UI Colors, Google it please, Flat UI. Colors. And choose this one. and choose one of them and choose the color you want to use. So it has been copied, and go back to the and paste it. Okay, and before that, this statement need to be finished. So we need to use what? What do we use? What do we use? Semicolon. Okay. All right, and press enter. And we need to close it. How do we close it? The closing curly bracket. Excellent. And we save it. And we check the page if it has improved. This one. Reload. Oh,
Yeah,
is that pink?
because it didn't come out. It didn't come out properly. Let's do.
Let's pick another color.
Yeah, the pink didn't come out.
Let's.
Or blue.
Okay, go on. It's not working. I'm not sure if they are talking to each other. Let's add here font family. So let's change the font. Font family. No. Yeah, well done. And choose any font like Arial or Verdana. Yeah, I think so. Yes. Now the font at the moment it's a serif font. For a website you need to use sans serif font like Arial, Verdana, Kandara, that kind of fonts. So if I right click and reload, so the web page and the HTML it looks like they are not talking to each other. Aha. No, it's the same folder. It is the same folder. But let's check on the link, style sheets, type. We are checking the code. There is a link to the style sheets, and type is set to text CSS. That's correct. href is what's missing here? No. If you are closing the quotation mark here, oh, quotation mark. Aha. Even the color was telling us. Yeah. And let's check now. Reload. Yeah. So the background has worked and the font has changed as well, right? Yeah. So you can work on which one? Okay. So have we learned from this? Yeah. It's all about problem solving, looking at your code to solve the problem. Yeah. Okay. So let's close this video. Yeah. How did we fix the problem with the strawberry? She instead of equal, she did minus, right? So if something is not working, you need to check that particular code. Yeah, you need to look at it and be able to identify the mistake. also with the CSS, it wasn't working, but the opening quotation mark was missing. So you have to read what you have typed. You have to proofread it and see for a mistake. Yeah, don't just wait for me to come and identify it for you. Yeah, if you have a problem, you need to really appreciate that problem. It's good that you have that problem because you learn how to solve a problem by looking at your code. Yeah.
So I'm leaving.
Yeah.